Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions, with another helpful video tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show how can we create password-protected zip files in Windows 10, 8, and 7. So, let's start.
Everybody get your fucking hands up.
We use 7-Zip software, so, at first, we need to download 7-Zip software from their official website. Click Download, as per your Windows bit. After downloading, install 7-Zip on your computer. Click on Download software. After this, install by Run as administrator. Installation done, click on Close. Let's go to Set Passwords, any folder, which we wanted to compress. Click the right button in any folder, go to 7-Zip, and click Add to the archive. Select Archive Format, Zip. Now, for your file security, set a password from Encryption Options. Click on OK. Archive complete. Let's go to unzip this file again. You can see, when we tried to extract this file, then required a password that we set. After submitting the password, this folder is open, otherwise not. Thanks for watching this video. Please, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.